Vijay Sanskar. Previously we have talked about the uses of NaCl in making other things. So NaCl was used in formation of sodium hydroxide. Chloralkali process was a very difficult process because it was involving electrolysis into it. Okay, so the chlorine gas which we obtained previously from chloralkali process could be used for formation of bleaching powder. This chlorine gas reacts with dry or dry slaked lines and it is going to convert it into calcium, into a bleaching powder plus a water molecule. This bleaching powder got its various uses in cotton and linen in textile industries. Okay, textile industries are anything related to the fabrics. Cotton is a type of fabric and also linen is also a type of fabric. It is also used in bleaching the wood pulp and it is also used for washing. Washed clothes are bleached for the better shine, especially white clothes. It is also used as an oxidizing agent as it is having oxygen in it. It makes drinking water free from the germs. So these are the basic use of the bleaching powder. Next is baking soda. Sodium chloride is used along with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. It is going to give us NH4Cl, which is ammonium chloride, and NaHCO3, which is called a baking soda. When baking soda is getting heated, it is going to convert it into sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Na2CO3 into 10H4 is considered as a washing soda. Okay, so when this particular thing we add into pakoras or bread batter, okay, so it is going to get heated up while we are cooking and it is going to get converted and it is going to release carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas is responsible for spongy cakes, spongy muffins, dhoklas, idlis, anything which is having sponginess into it. It is because of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Uses of baking soda is to make the baking powder. What we do? We have this baking soda. We add a weak acid like tartaric acid into it. The H plus ion of tartaric acid is going to react with this baking soda and it is going to convert it into sodium salt of that particular acid and it is going to release carbon dioxide and water. It is also used as an antacid. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Next is washing soda. Washing soda is again this particular thing Na2CO3 which we got from NaCl plus this thing. This is used. This is let react with 10H2O and it is going to convert it. It is going to recrystallization and we will get the crystals of Na2CO3 into 10H2O. The uses of it is glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in borax, cleaning. It is used as a cleaning agent. Obviously, washing soda, removing permanent hardness of water. So these are the basic use of washing soda. So we have learned about these three things: bleaching powder, baking soda, and washing soda, which is having enormous domestic use in our everyday life. We encountered something like Na2CO3 burn, Bunsen, burn. This is our test tube. Test tube is a transparent tube. Close it at one end. So we have kept CuSO4 crystals into it. And as it is going to get heated up, it is going to change its color from blue to the white. And we are also going to observe the vapor of water. This means CuSO4 should have certain amount of water into it. Actually, CuSO4 has 5 water molecules attached to it. If I again add certain amount of water into it, it is again going to change its color from blue to white and from white to blue. Blue to white when heating, white to blue when adding water into it. So same should be there for Na2CO3 into 10H2O. This water is called water of crystallization. When the crystals were made, at that time certain amount of water was also attached to it. Therefore, it is called water of crystallization. Next thing is about plaster of Paris. We call it POP. So what we do, we will have a gypsum. Gypsum is something that we get from the earth crust. When we heat this gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it is going to get converted into CaSO4 half H2O, which is called plaster of Paris. These plaster of Paris H2O is again going to add, if I add certain amount of water into it, it is again going to get converted into CaSO4 plus 2H2O, which is called gypsum. We have already seen the various use of plaster of Paris. Then after, plaster of Paris is used in the when we have fracture into any part of our body. At that time, a plaster which is of the plaster of Paris, that is for support the particular organ of your body, because there is a crack inside the bone. So to get rest or give support to it, it is used. It is used in making toys. It is used in making decorative items. It is also used in making idols and all. Okay, so these were the basic use of plaster of Paris. Gypsum is a thing which we get from earth crust. So nowadays there is a campaign which is going on for environment friendly or eco-friendly Ganesha or eco-friendly idols. You must have heard something about this. So this is a kind of campaign because gypsum is going to get converted into POP. POP is again going to get converted into a gypsum, and during this festival like Ganesh Chaturthi and all, people used to dump these idols of Ganesha or Majithiya into ocean or river, and that is going to harm the aquatic life of creatures. It could be animals or plants. So we should not use POP material, or we should use as less as we can use. That's all for now. You are supposed to write all the in-text and the textual exercise question answer in your fair copies. Some of you are not doing it. You will get when you see the have incomplete chapters, then I'm not going to sign into it. So please take a note about it. Thank you.